What's going on, YouTube? One shot here. We're back with another video. Today we're putting some cutout exhaust onto the 392 300. I haven't really been posting about this car much because I've been trying to keep up with some projects that I got going on in the shop. But today we're going to do some specs to this car because this car have been getting a lot of modifications done to it lately, as y'all can see. We got some underglow lights. We got the windows tinted. We put some decals on. We put a subwoofer in the trunk because we need a little bit more bass. We got YouTube on the Uconnect. We got Netflix on the Uconnect. And we just going all out. And today is a special day that we're going to be finally adding something to the exhaust because the car was a bit too quiet. And we want to give a special shout out to Flashark for making this thing possible, where they sent this out for us and they want us to get them an honest review. So that's what we're here to do. As far as the shipping time, it was shipped out on Tuesday. I came here Thursday and it had already arrived the day before. So I don't know if that's the shipping time for everyone or was it just me because I'm probably close to them. I don't know. But anywho, we're going to go ahead and get into this video. Go ahead and show y'all what's in the package. And we're going to have to go to an exhaust shop tomorrow because I don't know how to weld. I don't do weld. I tried weld. It's some stuff just not for everybody. But let's go ahead and get into this and see what they sent us.
I go by hunch, I'm chasing a whole lot of racks and I keep shit a stack. I got some tricks in my hat, but I'm not the cat. These niggas be pussy cat. And I got my dog with me, but he never sat, so he be ready to attack. And I just be waiting for a fuck nigga play on my trying to get my first nigga whack. But niggas gon' talk on the internet. Round of applause, he dropping his ball. But no one really get into that. No cap, you won, I take my loss. See me in the streets, I swear I eat up some beef quick way like I eat up the beat. But I'm probably somewhere rolling leaf, already geek. Playing some shit unreleased. I put this shit in the universe, so the money just be coming to me. So getting it be nothing to me. Know my shit gon' jump like trampoline. Ay, I step out too clean, yeah, I jump out too fresh. And I got that fire on me like I'm Johnny Test. Nigga play, I'ma put in the rest.
Alright, so we got those. We're gonna sit those aside, just like that. Control. I want to show you guys how to control the thing, but it only controlled by a cigarette port lighter. I don't have one unless we get into the vehicle and actually check it itself. See, I'm pretty sure it's the same exact thing as that one. Come with the hardware as well, so you don't have to go to any hardware store to find you some hardware. It comes with the hardware. Pretty much got everything right here. So yes, this right here goes in here from the valve. You can aim where you want to. You can aim it at the ground. You can aim it sideways. Me prefer, but I would aim towards the ground. So here we got the actual valve. And I'm pretty sure this valve is going to connect to this right here. The lining up of the bolt holes, pretty good. So this is the actual valve itself. Anywho, we're going to show you guys how to plug this thing up, see what it do. And it looks like that's exactly what this thing right here is. So we plug this into here. And then we plug this into one of the valves. And let's just grab the other valve too so you guys can see it work together. And it actually got an extension too, so you can run it along the bottom of the car. It'll reach. So we're gonna plug both of these up. I'm definitely going to have to put these extensions on. That's probably gonna be the only way I can make this thing reach. So we're gonna put this right in between here. So plug up there and plug into the actual exhaust, the active exhaust valve. And that's your extension. Let me go plug this up into the car. And I'll be right back to show you guys how these things look when they're actually operating. All right, well, now that we got them set up, plugged up, I'm gonna go inside. I'm going to press this switch and let's see what happens. All right, so look like I have to build these things as well. So we're going to try to attempt to build them. All right, so after some long fighting, we actually got these all the way assembled. So what I ended up doing was I did not use these because I didn't see the point of this right here being threaded and then this right here being threaded. I didn't understand how that would go. So I just used to put the bolt through. I put a crusher one right here and I put a flat one right here. And the reason why I put the crusher was on so we can keep the tension on and it'll also basically help it not back out in the future. Then I put this back around it, tighten it up down there with a 13 millimeter. These are 14 millimeter. And you have to use a wrench with those, the open end. So you got to use this end to tighten those up and then use this end to tighten up this bolt right here. Noticing is this one right here looks like the outside of a throttle body. This one likes the inside of a throttle body. But the reason why I did that is because these are going to go on opposite sides of the car, and I need those to come inward so I can run my wire straight down the middle together instead of it coming around it this way or coming up through the car that way. I kind of want to make everything look pretty good, and I thought it was going to be an issue at first, but I'll show you guys. All right, so with them wide open, you really can't even tell which way that thing is. And I'm pretty sure they're going to sound the exact same. They're both opened at the same degree, which looks like a 90 degree. So that's pretty good to me. And then we're going to go back and close them again. So, all right, so this is them closed again. And that'll be it for now. I'm going to put these back into the box, just that box I threw on the ground over there. I'm not going to worry about trying to make it look all neat and anything because they're going to get installed into the car tomorrow. So I'm just going to throw this in the box, and I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow once we get to the exhaust shop. So I'll see you then. All right, we back and we pulling up. That's the name of the shop right here. Pulling up. Let's see what the price talking about. See if they can really get me in and out. I don't see nobody on the side with the exhaust. But I see two black Tahoes. I do not like Tahoes. I'm assuming I'm gonna go to this side over here. What's going on? Yeah, we got her up down the stretcher. She's going up in the air already. I'll pull up. Hey, I could have pulled up a little bit better though. Fat tire for fine, but the fat tire is fine, but it's alright. Well, we finna let them do their work, and once we get up, we'll see what's going on. I'll be back.
Sit here flow like boat. I get the pack, get it gone like the motherfucking post. These niggas don't want no smoke. Nah, these niggas don't want no smoke. I'm really up there, I'm flown, but I'm stuck in my thoughts. Feel like I don't know where to go. But yeah, I know life a gamble. I know I gotta roll. And I got the hot hand, real talk, I'm seriously not playing. Flood on my wrist, whatever I want I'ma get, for real, I'm really lit. Ayy, I'm finna go to the top like Tipsy a bag, I'ma tack like Tick. Ayy, I'm finna go to the top like Tipsy a bag, I'ma tack like Tick. Bitch, switch it up like I switch fits, I already know how it go. Whoa, whoa, I'm popping like top of the stove. Hop on the beat, put the shit in sport and draw. On the beat, put the shit in sport and skirt like I'm tryna crash the whip. I'm on that 93, it got me out of my body, I can't even fast in here. I'm eating good like I'm getting fat in here. Loaded like a potato, and I'm all about the pesos. Tell a fuck nigga lay low. You ever seen a dead man get a nigga gone? Being frank, don't play though, ayy. Stack 'em up like a Lego, yeah. Now they saying I'm an a-hole. Fuck by huncho, I'm chasing a whole lot of racks, and I keep shit a stack. I got some tricks in my hat, but I'm not the cat. These niggas be pussy cat. And I got my dog with me, but he never sat, so he be ready to attack.
Alright, so they done putting that exhaust on. I didn't already left the shopping, but we got it on. I don't have them hooked up yet because I gotta drill holes or I gotta find a way to route them to make it work right. But my phone keep going dead and I can't get it to charge, so I'm probably gonna be getting a new one sometime soon because I can't keep doing this. But anywho, I'm gonna let you guys hear how it sounds because technically no resonators anymore, so it's going to sound different to you guys. So I'll let you guys hear that, and then once I get it hooked up and stuff, then we can do it again and see exactly how it sounds afterwards. So let me go and get that on for you real quick. All right, we're gonna do a quick little remote start, make it simple. So I mean, it definitely sounds more aggressive. So we're gonna get this thing wired up and get those exhausts opened up and see exactly how it sounds, because I'm sure it's gonna be a lot louder. And right now we actually running around trying to get some bigger tires, well, some more tires, but those are bald. But anywho, I gotta go on here, I gotta do a little work, gotta change clothes, and then we're gonna go find some tires, and I'll be back once we actually hooking up the exhaust. so y'all can get that final sound. So let me do that. I'll be back. All right, so pretty much we got everything wired up. So what I did was I plugged up to the exhaust. I came up through a hole that's behind my trunk back here somewhere up on the bottom, and I ran the wires around. So I didn't do much effort trying to hide them, but they like under here, and then I ran them right around here, and then they just come all the way through to right here. So with them being wired up, they are ready to go. And unfortunately, this did not last long at all. So definitely, once you install these, go ahead and install this button somewhere, because this thing just laying loose around and just sitting around up here or however you have it, this is prone to happen because the things on it is so small. So as you can see, the wires are real small and the soldering is real small, but you know, can't blame it. So unfortunately, when it broke, the exhaust was open, so we won't get no close today, maybe in the near future. But I'm trying to go ahead and push this video out for you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys hear how it sound with the exhaust open, and I'll give y'all a final review once we get back to the shop. So I'm going to prop y'all up somewhere, I don't know where, but I'm going to prop y'all up somewhere and let y'all hear how this thing sound and start up. So let's do that. Now let's go ahead and get this first start up, and I guess we'll see how this thing sounds, and I'll give you guys a final review once we get back to the shop. All right, so that was a startup. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually very, very louder, if I got to say so myself, compared to when it was coming out straight to back, because the way I got it ran, as you guys seen when it was getting installed, is actually coming down from right behind the resonator. We cut the resonators out, and they're coming from the bottom. So we'll give a final review once we get back to the shop, because I actually got to hit the road and get somewhere real quick. And once we get to the shop, then I'll let you guys know the final review, and y'all let me know what y'all think about it. All right, so we made it back to the shop, and for the final review, what I would give this exhaust, I would give it a solid, probably about a 7 out of 10, simply because the switch broke and the soldering points were small. And also I had a bit of problems with, it would rattle when they were closed, but when I open it up, it sounds great. And I know the video didn't do much justice, but the car is actually a lot louder. It just, the way that these microphones are set up on y'all phones and on this one right here, it kind of blocks out from being too loud to help with the ears. But I am very impressed with the overall quality of the wheels and the spot wheels and everything they did with the exhaust. So if y'all interested in getting any of these things from Flashark website, I will leave their link down below in the description. If you're interested in getting anything from their site, you can get it for 15% off by using my code OneShot. And they have a lot of stuff. They have stuff for imports I've seen. They have stuff for your Dodges, Chevys, really anything. And there's a lot of stuff on there that's universal as well. So it's some stuff that you can put on one car and also go to another car, such as that active exhaust that I got. And they also do have another option that is wireless. The one that I got specifically was one with a switch. I didn't know they had the one that was wireless. So I'm going to convert mine over to wireless in the near future. Anywho, man, if y'all want to go ahead and go cop some of that stuff from their website, like I said again, it'll be www.flashark.com, I believe. I could be wrong, so I just leave the website description in the description down below. So if y'all want to get something, man, go check them out and use that promo code OneShot so you can get a deal. And we out.
Go through a lot, I always overcome. Cause at the end of the day, I'ma still be me. I keep on telling on one day you gon' see me on TV. And I had got up out them streets, I couldn't let that conquer me. And when I die, you can believe I was on both